Hi there, Jeffrey Rhoades from Experimental Homesteader, Exotic Gardening, and Sheri Ann Richerson.com. It's raining again. It's basically been raining all weekend, off and on. I don't know how much of this week it's supposed to rain, but I think it's, a good chunk of it. So, I mean, we can use the rain, but at the same time, I was trying to get some yard mowing taken care of. Some of the yard is getting up fairly tall again, but at the same time, we did need the rain, so it's a trade-off. Just finished a 6-hour shift on Sunday. Now I get to go back in tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. We're still on 12-hour shifts. Repair has gotten a little bit further behind, even though they came in and worked this weekend. They are struggling. They're still, falling farther behind. Finishing room is still putting out a lot of bad parts. This is what tends to happen during the summertime, in part because production goes up. Demand for our cabinets goes up because summer months is construction time, more so than winter months. And so we need to produce more cabinets. We have to produce more doors and drawer fronts in the finishing room, and so we have more bad parts that come out of there to be repaired, and so it's a cycle that we go through. Hopefully things don't get as bad as they've been in the past, where we're doing 12-hour days all week long and coming in Saturdays and Sundays, for several months. It gets really old when you don't have a day off. Makes for nice paychecks, but you don't get much rest. But we probably, most likely with working the 12-hour shifts this week that we're going to be doing, we will probably be in again on Saturday, but maybe not on Sunday. That would be kind of nice. But I'm just kind of wore out. Like I said, I was hoping to get out in the yard and get some work done. Our cherry tree is coming in. The fruit is getting ripe, and probably sometime this next week we're going to have to get out there and pick cherries. So hopefully we won't have to do it in the rain, but we may be doing it in higher than what I would prefer grass. So I think that's going to do it today. So thumbs up, thumbs down, comments below, subscribe. We are still trying to reach 5,000 subscribers. And we will see you again tomorrow, and have a great evening.